Today, let's talk about alumina ceramics, a high-performance ceramic material made from high-purity aluminum oxide powder. Depending on purity, it ranges from 95% to 99.8%, with higher purity offering better electrical insulation and high-temperature resistance. Alumina ceramics come in various forms: sheets, tubes, rings, bearing balls, suitable for different applications. Its key features include high hardness, excellent wear resistance, corrosion resistance, strong electrical insulation, and the ability to withstand temperatures up to 1,650 degrees Celsius in factories and laboratories. It's used for wear-resistant parts, seals, crucibles, thermocouple protection tubes, and semiconductor substrates. In daily life, you can also find its ceramic tube shell in LED lamp, bone repair materials, precision sensor housings, and even in components of smartwatches or smartphones. No, alumina ceramics are brittle, so handle and process them with care. At Great Ceramic, we've specialized in ceramic components for 12 years, offering custom sizes and shapes directly from our factory.